Hopefully it's not the same animals. Okay, round 2. That's it's a rabbit. That's it. Yes, round 2. Final answer D, rabbit. I'm just too good. I'm just too good. I know my animals. It's more like an educated guess. Wolf. Wolf. Okay. Let's make it obvious. Big howl at the end. Next. What is this? Is this the easy version? Pig. Pig. I'd love to hear a horse make that sound. Oh, elephant. Right. Why give us the answer at the end? It's pretty much the obvious thing. If they just left it there and not give us the big hyena. Hyena. Hyena, hyena. Easy. Well, zebra. No, hyena. Final answer. Yo, can we get 100% this round? Tiger. That's a tiger. Crikey, that's a tiger. Crikey, mate. Crikey, that's a tiger. Oh my god. That's a peacock. That's a peacock. I didn't know they made that sound. Donkey. Oh wait. Oh. That's not a donkey. I want to say stag. I changed my answer. Stag. It's a moose. Oh my god. We got one wrong. Guys, we got one wrong. Panda. Panda. E. That's a panda. All day. What? That was a moose. To be fair, I've never actually seen a moose make a sound. Oh. Birds are weird, eh? Eagle. I'm gonna say eagle. Why is alligator even there? What? Why not put another bird? Oh, it's an alligator. Yeah. Oh my god! Bear. That's a bear. That was an angry bear. turns out to be a toad. Ah. Oh. Dolphin or killer whale. Killer whale. Fuck. I was gonna say dolphin. No way. Okay. We got 2 wrong. Guinea pig. That's a guinea pig. Holy shit. Guinea pigs are loud. Oh my god. What? That's a sick squirrel. A chipmunk. That's a orangutan. Orangutan. What? What kind of cat? What? Kangaroo? Oh, it's hippo again. Oh, we had this. We had the hippo in the last round. That's why I know. Ostrich, porcupine, armadillo. Nice. I knew it. This is... Wait, what? Wait. Woodpecker? I thought it was a monkey. Woodpecker again. Obviously, the woodpecking sound gave it away. Oh, skunk. That's a skunk. Easy. I hope it's a skunk. Easy. I'm too good. I'm too good. Some were like stupid mistakes. Oh. Oh. I want to say macaw. Yeah, macaw. I'll go with my gut this time. I don't know what a lemur sounds like. Oh, raccoon. Raccoon. Yep. 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 All day. All day. Raccoon. What we got wrong? 2 wrong this time? Oh. Oh. That's not a baboon. I want to say tapir again. We got tapir the first round. What is this thing? A capybara. A capybara. What even is that? What even is that?